Hello everyone, it's day 14 of our AWS challenge. Just one more day to go. Let's see how well you can tackle today's set of questions. Question 1. Which AWS service provides managed Apache Airflow for workflow orchestration? A. AWS Glue, B. Amazon MWAA, C. Amazon EMR, or D. AWS Step Functions. The correct option is B. Amazon MWAA. Question 2. Which AWS service enables you to run relational databases optimized for OLTP workloads? A. Amazon DynamoDB, B. Amazon RDS, C. Amazon Redshift, or D. AWS Aurora Serverless. The correct option is B. Amazon RDS. Question 3. Which AWS service lets you analyze log data interactively using SQL? A. AWS Glue, B. Amazon Athena, C. Amazon EMR, or D. Amazon CloudWatch Logs Insights. The correct option is B. Amazon Athena. Question 4. Which AWS service provides object storage with virtually unlimited scalability? A. Amazon EBS, B. Amazon S3, C. Amazon FSx, or D. Amazon EFS. The correct option is B. Amazon S3. Question 5. Which AWS service supports hybrid cloud by running AWS infrastructure on premises? A. AWS Local Zones, B. AWS Outposts, C. AWS Wavelength, or D. AWS Snowcone. The correct option is B. AWS Outposts. Question 6. Which AWS service helps detect unusual behavior in VPC traffic? A. VPC flow logs, B. AWS Guard Duty, C. Amazon Inspector, or D. AWS CloudTrail. The correct option is B. AWS Guard Duty. Question 7. Which AWS service is best suited for building and deploying serverless APIs? A. Amazon CloudFront, B. Amazon API Gateway, C. AWS Elastic Beanstalk, or D. AWS Lambda. The correct option is B. Amazon API Gateway. Question 8. Which AWS service provides centralized logging from multiple accounts? A. AWS Config, B. Amazon CloudWatch Logs, C. AWS CloudTrail Lake, or D. Amazon QuickSight. The correct option is C. CloudTrail Lake. Question 9. Which AWS service is designed for scalable file storage for Windows workloads? A. Amazon EFS, B. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server, C. Amazon S3, or D. AWS DataSync. The correct option is B. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server. Question 10. Which AWS service helps secure container workloads by scanning for vulnerabilities? A. Amazon Inspector, B. AWS WAF, C. Amazon Macie, or D. AWS Firewall Manager. The correct option is A. Amazon Inspector. Question 11. Which AWS service enables visual creation of ML models without writing code? A. Amazon SageMaker Autopilot, B. Amazon Recognition, C. Amazon Comprehend, or D. AWS Glue. The correct option is A. Amazon SageMaker Autopilot. Question 12. Which AWS service is used for setting up real-time dashboards and monitoring metrics? A. Amazon QuickSight, B. Amazon CloudWatch, C. AWS Trusted Advisor, or D. AWS Control Tower? The correct option is B. Amazon CloudWatch. Question 13. Which AWS service is designed to host static websites directly from object storage? A. Amazon CloudFront, B. Amazon S3, C. AWS Amplify, or D. Amazon EFS? The correct option is B. Amazon S3. Question 14. Which AWS service lets you create, train, and deploy ML models at scale? A. Amazon SageMaker, B. Amazon Poly, C. Amazon Transcribe, or D. Amazon Lex? The correct option is A. Amazon SageMaker. Question 15. Which AWS service is best for cost forecasting and planning? A. AWS Pricing Calculator, B. AWS Budgets, C. AWS Cost Explorer, or D. AWS Cost Anomaly Detection? The correct option is B. AWS Budgets. Thank you everyone for watching. Day 14 is complete. Share your score in the comments and remember to like, share and subscribe for the grand finale tomorrow.